Today I'm going to be showing you a lot of 32 of these official Xbox magazines. The way I have them stacked, we're going to be going from newest to oldest, and I'm going to flip through them to show you the condition. I'm going to say that overall they are in good condition. A lot of them have creases and wear on the covers, but they don't seem to have any like real damage on the inside or on the pages. Just like, you know, cover wear, little discoloration, and some residue from where stickers were on them. Alright, so here we have November 2008. This is October 2008. Move you up a little bit for a wider view. Seems like most of the fold outs and things in here are present as well. This one has the original glue, so I'm not gonna pull it. It looks like a poster for Mercs 2. Next we have September 2008. At this point you might be guessing this is a straight run, but it's not. It's 32 issues with a lot of gaps going back to March 2005, I believe. Also, oh, here is August 2008. I also want to mention that this magazine did originally come with demo discs. Unfortunately, I don't have any of these in this lot. It is only the magazines themselves. And I also do not know if there would be any missing posters or inserts or anything. I don't know about them. I haven't researched these that much to be able to tell you if any of that was missing. This is July 2008. So we have March 2008. February 2008. Holiday 2007. They actually did 13 issues every year. I don't know if it was between November and December or between December in January, but there was a holiday issue each year. November 2007. July 2007. June 2007. April 2007. March 2007. February 2007. January 2007. Holiday 2006. Calendar right there. October 2006. September 2006. June 2006. May 2006. April 2006. March 2006. February 2006. January 2006. Holiday 2005. December 2005. November 2005. October 2005. September 2005. August 2005. June 2005. And finally, March 2005. So yeah, I would say they're overall good condition. Inside is probably very good, but the covers bring them down to good. And I think that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.